Hey there and welcome back to the channel. This is your host Nahin. You are watching Bengal Explorer, and in this video I would be sharing the night visibility of the Ford Ecosport and showing all the light controls and how is the performance of the projector lamps in real life conditions. And if you are someone who is willing to get a Ford Ecosport in the year 2021, then this video might help you to understand the night visibility of this compact mini SUV. So with that being said, let's get started. So the first parameter which I would be discussing is the visibility during the dipper. Well, when you are driving this car in dipper, the projector lamps would be working like this, as you can check in this video. Now the controls to this projector light is just below the steering wheels, and to turn on these two projector lamps you need to rotate this regulator to extreme right and the lights comes into function. Now there is another switch just between this regulator. Well, this switch is used to label the beams of those two projector lamps. So if you are driving in bad roads, then you need the visibility closer to the car, and when you are driving fast, then you can adjust the lamps far away from the car. So these were all about the dipper projector lights about this mini compact SUV. Now let's check the upper visibility of this car. Now to turn on the upper lights you need to push this switch upward and the two halogen lights comes into function. Now those two halogen lights are also pretty good in this car, and the throw from this light provides a great illumination during the night. So these were about the upper visibility of both the two lamps, and to be very honest, I have never faced any issue with these lamps and they provide a great illumination during night driving. And if you want to check some other night driving videos, then I will be giving the link in the description below. You can go and check that out also. Now the third parameter which I am going to show is the two fog lamps. So these two fog lamps are available in all the variants, and those two fog lamps works as fog lamp or the cornering lamps. So during hill driving those lamps are very helpful. You get a great visibility in the corners. Now to turn on these lights you need to press this button just near the light regulator switch. Now the fourth parameter which I am going to show is the rear visibility of this compact SUV. So if you put the car in reverse, then the two lamps would be working and the rear camera would be activated. Now the visibility of the two lamps is also pretty good in this car, and it provides a great illumination during the time of reversing the car, and you don't face as such problems in this rear parking camera also. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the notification for future updates. And if you like my video, please press the like button, and in case you dislike, comment down the reason so that I can improve in my future updates. Now let's focus on the fifth criteria, which is the paddle lamps of this compact SUV. So once you park the car and pull the handbrake, then those paddle lamps comes into function, and once you lock the car, then those lights will disappear. Now these two paddle lamps are very helpful during the night, and it comes handy when you park the car in the night. Meanwhile, it also provides a great illumination in the both sides of the car. So this was my video about the outer light and night visibility of the Ford Ecosport, and soon I would be posting the detailed video on the cabin lights and the switch illumination in the dark of the Ford Ecosport. So thank you for tuning into the channel, and if you like my content then please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you want to check any other videos like the off-roading capability, the ownership review of the Ford Ecosport, then the link will be in the description below. If you want, you can check that out. And once again, thank you for tuning into the channel, and I wish to see you in the next one.